You don't need a dedicated Mac Mini or a dedicated computer for this case. You can install Hermes inside a VPS. That way you're going to play it safe and you're going to save more money than cashing out a bunch of money to buy a new computer. So let me show you how to install it on a VPS on this video. So this is Hermes Agent, and you can see right now that this is running on a VPS, and what I want to do is show you how to do it so you can launch it on your VPS. For this case, I am using Hostinger, which they are the sponsor too, and I'm using the VPS with the Docker Manager, so I'm able to install Hermes with a one-click install, so it's easy and practical. Now let me show you their VPS plans that you can grab right now that are really affordable. I recommend the KBM2, which is the balance of good product and good pricing, because you're going to get 2 dedicated CPU cores and 8 GB of RAM, plus 100 GB of NVMe storage. Be aware that you are able to install multiple applications inside of Docker, so not just Hermes, all right? So let's go ahead and choose this plan because I'm going to show you how to apply a coupon code to drop the price even more. Now, the first thing you need to do here on Hostinger is select the amount of months that you want to lock in the price for. I recommend 24 months because you're going to lock in the lowest price and the lowest renewal price. Plus, you'll be good to go for 2 years. Now, next thing you want to do is click on have a coupon code and type in my code or paste it in, which is SaaS Master, and apply it. The price is going to drop to $189.86. Now, over here where you choose your server location, select the location that is closest to where your viewers are going to use it the most, or where you are going to use it the most. So in this case, it's the United States. In this case, I recommend playing OS, selecting Ubuntu, and then install Docker inside of there, which is what I've done. So now let's go ahead and jump over to my Docker installation to show you how to kick this off. So right now, I'm currently located in the hPanel, and what I need to do is head on over to VPS and select the VPS where I have the Docker installed, which is this one right now. I am on the KBM 8 VPS. So let's head on over to Docker Manager, and right here is where we're going to do the one-click install. So let's click on Compose. We're going to click on one-click deploy, and we're going to search through a whole catalog of available applications that we can install. But in this case, we are interested in Hermes. Now there's 3 options available: Hermes Agent, the Web UI, and the Workspace. I'm going to use the Hermes Agent. It's the most complete one, and it's going to save me a ton of time. So set your username. In this case, it's going to be SaaS Master. Password, go ahead and change it here, or view the one that it gives you by default, and the Nexus API key. So save all of this so you can use it. So let's go ahead and deploy right now. And it's going to kick off the installation right away. So your application is being deployed. While that is being deployed, let's go ahead and open up the Hermes that I already have available to show you how it's going to work. So let me go ahead and show you. So here is my Hermes Agent. You can see here, Hermes Agent. I am going to open this up straight from here. And now I have the session available here. The first thing I recommend that you set up when you are here is the keys. So you set up the AI. Now be aware, if you don't find the API here, just go ahead and chat with it and tell it that you want to install the API key for an AI agent. In this case, I am using MiniMax M3 for this purpose. They have that balance of good pricing and affordable tokens. Plus, if you grab a plan with MiniMax, and no, this is not a commercial, they provide the API key too. So you have a combination of a subscription and an API key, which is pretty cool. And that's why I like to use this, because I use it in multiple things. Now, once you're here, go ahead and go through all the installation things that you're going to need, like an MCP if you're going to connect. In this case, I've connected Higgsfield to generate some videos with Higgsfield. There's a plugins, there's the skills that you need to turn on what you need and turn off what you don't need, so you make sure that you take the full advantage of Hermes. So go ahead and go through Hermes, install all the things that you're going to need, but installing this on a VPS is super easy. So as you can see here, now I have the new Hermes Agent installed, so I can go ahead and open this up, and it's going to ask me to log in with the username and the password that I designated in the installation. In this case, I didn't save it because this was just a demo installation, but I'm using the one that I already have installed, which is this one that I'm already logged in. So go ahead and install right now your Hermes Agent on a VPS and save a lot of money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out.